Yes.
Great. Do you want this?
Our goal today is to try to make at least 100 kits. And with everybody's stuff, we should be able to do that.
We're helping the homeless.
Yeah, how are you helping the homeless?
Because it's freezing right now in Washington, so we're giving them supplies to make them warm. The Kindness Club is about helping the Tacoma community in a bunch of ways.
Like, it's important for us to help our community so they can stay safe and nice during winter time.
In a Kindness Club, these kids just want to fill needs that they see in the community, and I think unfortunately being kind is rare, and honoring it and fostering it is important for these kids. So Kind Club is a group of 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders mostly here at Point Defiance, and their job is we get together about at least once a month, and we decide and organize projects that they can do for the Tacoma community.
Like, if you don't be kind, this world is just be like a really nasty place.
Yeah.